Today is Thursday, March 27, 2014. Sunrise was at 6:42 a.m. The sun will set today at 7:12 p.m. Length of daylight hours today will be 12 hours, 30 minutes. Of visible light, 13 hours, 27 minutes. The waning crescent moon with 14% illumination will rise at 4:38 p.m. and will set at 3:51 p.m. At noon today, the moon will appear within the 11th zodiacal designation, Aquarius, the water bearer. The moon will pass above Rutland City at 226,473 miles distant. Under clear skies in downtown Rutland, the high temperature today is predicted to be 36 degrees on the Fahrenheit scale. It should be mostly sunny this morning with increasing clouds by afternoon, with winds west-southwest 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming mostly cloudy overnight with a low temperature of 28 degrees. A mix of winter-like precipitation is expected for later tonight, and south-southeastward winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow's high temperature is expected to peak at about 45 degrees after a 90% chance of freezing rain early tomorrow morning, leading to accumulations of less than 1 inch.
High tides today, Thursday, March 27 at Perth, Western Australia, are expected at 12:09 p.m. at 8:10 meter and 8:45 p.m. at 1 meter even. Low tides at Perth will be at 4:16 a.m. at 6:10 meter and 1:42 p.m. at 8:10 meter. Have a nice day and smooth sailing.
A bloodhound's sense of smell is far better than its human keepers, but your nose, according to research in the journal Science, can detect at least 1 trillion individual scents. Researchers mixed together combinations of some 128 different odors, study subjects, then smelled 3 samples. 2 of the combination scents were the same and 1 that was different. Based on subjects' identification of the different smells, the researchers gauged how close the mixtures could be and still be indistinguishable. Those findings let them determine how many different scents could exist made of combinations of the original 128 odors. The result was more than 1 trillion. Researcher Andreas Keller of the Rockefeller University told Science why humans have such a discerning sense of smell. Our olfactory system evolved, he said, to discriminate very similar smells, like my baby from my neighbor's baby, milk that's still good from milk that's turned bad. So we evolved to be able to make those discriminations, and as a side effect of that, we can discriminate all those other odors too. The colors artists used in the sunsets of their paintings may provide clues as to what was circulating in the air hundreds of years ago. High-quality digital photographs of sunset paintings from the years 1500 to 2000 showed that the ratio of red to green along the horizon of each painting was associated with the levels of airborne ash and soot spewed from erupting volcanoes of the time. Researchers also had artists paint successive sunsets during and after particles from the Sahara passed over the island of Hydra in Greece to test the finding. The results suggest that artists' work may offer another way to study past atmospheres in places and times when data from instruments was not available, the team reports March 25 in the journal Atmospheric Chemistry and Physics. This has been today's Weather Minute. I'm Richard Alcott.